More and more vehicles, ever tighter schedules, margins smaller and smaller, and technology more complicated than ever. Everything's super digital. But I still need to have the oil changed. And we mustn't miss the service appointment either. But woe betide us if the costs get out of hand. Our client doesn't care a jot that the vehicle's broken down in the back of beyond. Downtime is just not an option. The customer shouldn't have any headaches. Headaches? What about my headaches? MAN has something for that. The MAN service products created to combat stress at work. No unexpected costs. Simplified maintenance management. Reliable vehicle operation day and night. Non-stop service. And all that without risks and side effects. To ensure that you can concentrate on your actual job, MAN takes care of everything else.